positive and heartful gratitude. May today bring us new learning, new opportunities and chance to grow together. Let's start with prayer followed by an inspiring session ahead. Once again, welcome everyone and let's start the assembly with prayer song.
In order to honor our nation, I would like to call Varun to lead us with pledge.
Your arms forward. India is my country. India is my country. All Indians, sir. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am proud of history.
Now I would like to call forward Jaisima to keep updated in state and sport news.
Happy morning everyone, myself K. Jaisima of Grade-VII Topaz. Now I am going to tell state and sport news. State news. A man posing as a customer stole a gold coin from a jewelry shop in Hyderabad. Sport news. Akshar Patel appointed as captain of Delhi Capitals. Thank you.
Here we have beautiful word by Harshan Virat. Let us all are ready. Let us call Harshan Virat forward.
Happy morning everyone. Today one is brought to you by Harshan Virat Top. Happy morning everyone. Today one is brought to you by Harshan Virat Top Grade-VII Topaz. 1. Magnanimous. Here magnanimous means being generous, kind and forgiving. Friends, let me help you with using sentence. A magnanimous leader forgives mistakes and help other grows. I have a question for you. Let us all be magnanimous from today. Thank you everyone. Have a wonderful day.
My friends, our strength and wisdom will grow only through challenges. To extend this statement along with the thought, I would like to call Haricharan forward.
Happy morning, everyone. Happy morning, everyone. I am Archana of Grade-VII Topaz. I am here to present thought of the day. I am proud to say one of the best thought ever. Rainbow is beautiful because it comes after storm. I'll repeat it again. Rainbow is beautiful because it comes after storm. My friends, good and bad never enemies. They are life's greatest teachers. Just like candle burns in brightness in the dark, our strength and wisdom will grow only through challenges. Thank you.
Here we have Hanvika with a speech on the culture of our school. Let us call Hanvika forward and see that what she got on the topic.
Happy morning everyone. My name is Hanvika Virat of Grade-VII Topaz. Today I want to talk about something that makes our school special and its culture. Our school is just not a place for education. It is a home of values, discipline and growth. It is where we learn not only from books but from experiences. Here we taught to respect our teachers, support our friends and strive for excellence. The culture of our school is built with hard work, kindness and unity. We celebrate achievements together, help each other in challenges and always encourage learning behind classrooms. In every tradition, every event and every lesson. Here this shapes into our better individuals. As a student, it is our responsibility to uphold this culture. As a student, it is our responsibility to uphold this culture and to be respectful, disciplined, to be eager for learning. Because one day when we step into the world, the values we gain here, they will guide to our entire life. Let us take pride to our school and make it is a place of excellency, integrity and success. Thank you.
Now let us call Hasni forward and give us a speech.
Happy morning, my dear friends and teachers. I'm Hasini. Good morning, my dear friends and teachers. I'm Hasini from Grade-VII Topaz. Today I want to talk about something very special, that uniqueness. Look around. No two people are exactly the same. We're all having different faces, talent, dream, and the way of thinking.
That is what makes the world beautiful. Imagine if every flower in a garden looked the same. Would it be boring? Just like flowers, we're all created differently to bring something special into this world. Our differences are not weakness, they are our strengths. Instead of comparing ourselves to others, we should celebrate who we are. You're unique you, I'm unique you. Together we make the world complete. So let's embrace our differences and respect each other and shine in your own way because there is no one like you and that is your superpower. Thank you.
Sometimes we confuse why our prayers are not being answered. Here we have Geeta to explain us how God answers our prayers.
Happy morning, everyone. My name is Geeta of Grade-VII Topaz. Today's my topic is God's way of answering our prayers. We most of us think that our prayers are not answered. I too had same doubt and I asked my teacher. He replied me these lines. And this is what I want to share with you all today. I asked God for strength. He gave me challenges to make me stronger. I asked God for wisdom. He gave me problems to solve. I asked God for courage. He gave me fears to overcome. I asked God for love. He spent people that are in need to help. I asked God for happiness. He taught me gratitude in difficult situations. I asked God for success. He gave me failures to learn. I asked God for peace. He showed me the power of forgiveness. I asked God for perfect life. He gave me struggles to shape me. God answers our prayers but not directly. He gives us opportunities to learn, uh, to, to grow into what we want to become. Trust His plan because everything He sends He sends our way is shaping us into something greater. My friends, the last line and my favorite part that my teacher said is God, if God wants you to walk through hell, walk through it like you own it. Even success should fear. Thank you.
Call Ashok forward to explain our knowledge in general knowledge questions.
Today GK questions are brought to you by Ashok of Grade-VII Topaz. Question for Grade 6. What is full form of NASA? I will repeat it again. What is full form of NASA? Yes, you picked the correct answer. And the answer is National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Let all appreciate them. Question for Grade 7. What is 25% of 200? Yes, you picked the correct answer. And the answer is 50. Let all appreciate them. Question for Grade 8. Who was the first Emperor of India? I will repeat it again. Who was first Emperor of India? Sorry, you didn't pick the correct answer. And the answer is Chandragupta Maurya. Question for Junior 10. If the radius is 7, what is circumference of a circle? I will repeat it again. If the radius is 7, what is circumference of a circle? Yes, you picked the correct answer. And the answer is 44. Let all appreciate them. Here comes our best part. Fun logical question. Question number 1. I am an odd number. Take away one letter. I became even. What am I? Yes, you picked the correct answer. And the answer is 7. Let all appreciate them. Question number 2. What has hands but cannot clap? Yes, you picked the correct answer. And the answer is clock. Let all appreciate them. Question number 3. If it takes 10 men 10 hours to build a wall, how long it takes for 5 men? I'll repeat it again. If it takes 10 men 10 hours to build a wall, how long it takes for 5 men? No need, because the wall is already built by 10 men. Fourth question. What has teeth but cannot bite? Yes, you pick the correct answer, and the answer is comb. Let all appreciate them. Question number 5. If you drop yellow cap in Red Sea, what does it become? I'll repeat it again. If you drop yellow cap in Red Sea, what does it become? No, you didn't pick the correct answer, and the answer is wet. Thank you.
Thanking you all for your coordination, patience and support that made this assembly a successful one. Before we leave this place, I would like to state a line to all my friends. Nothing is easy in this world. We should work hard for it and earn it with a pride. Now, 7th A signing off. Thank you.